The one and all. My name is Karthikeya. I am studying ninth concept in Ratnam English Medium High School. Today my topic is importance of blood donation. My father name is Jagdish and my mother name is Lavanya. Yes, I want to become a lawyer. Now, blood donation is very important because blood donation is a saving life and noble act. 1 unit of blood can save the more than one patient, like three peoples. There are different types of blood groups are there, like O positive, O negative, O B positive. But there are rare blood groups also there. That is very rare. For that, we give some blood for anybody. Blood donation is very important, and we give when we give to the blood to others, we give the new chance to them to live again. There are so many types of blood cells, like white blood cells, white blood cells, red blood cells, and plasma membrane. That's why the World Blood Donation Day is 14th June. And blood we cannot donate the blood. It can be uh, prepared. It cannot prepare in any factories. It can be only prepared in the healthy human person. And you so many members think like blood donation is very dangerous, but when we a blood donator give the blood to others for, then the blood donator can get new blood cells and new blood. For that, no harm to blood donator. For that, we need to give to the blood to others. We cannot give to the blood. They have to save. But nowadays, so many accidents, so many diseases but that many diseases and that many accidents. For that, so many members losing so much of blood. Then they need the blood. Then they need the blood. For that, we need to give the blood. We cannot give the blood. They how can give save? And old blood donation is that. And blood donation is very important. It is very we can take the blood by blood donation. We anybody need to give the blood, then go to the blood camps like that. They can store the blood in blood banks. If we want also we can give for blood to blood camps means okay, not do the business for blood giving taking like that. Some members can red blood groups cannot be have, then they use their blood and they give to the store in the blood banks, then they only take the blood and they only take this. For that we also need to the give the blood. And most here is so many members the loss, so many members lost so much of blood by diseases, accidents, and so many things. By losing that many diseases, like asthma, like that, that can be polluted, can be polluted by the drinking, smoking water, like that. We need to give the blood to others. We need to give the blood to others. We cannot give, they cannot give. Even when we give the blood, they are 3% more than the 3% we can share. We cannot give the blood, they cannot live. Blood is very important, like red blood cells and blood cells. Then we cannot give to the blood, they cannot save. We need to give to the blood, we need to save that. You see the so many posters like blood donation. We need to see the some blood donation, but we need to give the blood. Blood we cannot give, we cannot live also. We need to give it. Oh, the doctors can be take the blood uh, in healthy person only. No drinking, no smoking, no anything bad habits. Then only the doctors can be take the blood. Blood is very important in our body. Blood can move like the for our helps to body to clean the any things and the nerves like that. We cannot have the blood can, and a human cannot live. Blood donation is very important. When a new person can birth with the blood only. Blood is very important. We give the blood to others, then only save the life. Please donate the blood. Blood is very important. And blood